The Met Department predicts that showers or thunder showers will occur at times over most parts of Sri Lanka, with heavy showers above 100 mm in the western, Sabaragamuwa, southern, central and Uva provinces. Heavy showers can also be expected in the Kandy district during the afternoon or night. The landslide warnings issued to several divisional secretariats in 9 districts were also extended until this evening. The landslide warnings are in effect in the Badulla, GALLE, Hambantota, Kandy, Kegol, Mathale, Mathara, Nuwara Eliya and Ratnapura districts.